This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Zepeto edit. First, ensure you have the Zepeto app and a good photo editor installed on your phone. Open Zepeto, create or select your avatar, and then choose an amazing outfit and a dynamic pose. Find the green screen background option within the app and capture a high-quality screenshot of your posed character. This screenshot will be our starting point for all the fun editing ahead, giving us a clean image to work with. Now, open your preferred photo editing application and import the Zepeto screenshot you just took. Utilize the magic wand or selection tool to meticulously select only the green background. It is important to zoom in and refine your selection carefully, preventing any accidental cuts into your avatar's edges. Once the green area is precisely selected, completely erase it, leaving your Zepeto character isolated and ready for its new scene. Next, it is time to give your Zepeto avatar a new world to inhabit. Select a captivating background image from your phone's gallery or a trusted stock photo library. Place this new background layer behind your avatar layer in the editing app. Carefully adjust the background size and perspective to ensure it perfectly matches the scale and angle of your Zepeto character. Always check that the background's lighting and colors naturally complement your avatar for a realistic appearance. To truly make your Zepeto pop, focus on enhancing your avatar with subtle details. Use soft brushes to add realistic shadows beneath elements like hair or clothing, and gentle highlights on reflective surfaces. Apply various filters or make color adjustments to seamlessly blend your avatar's tones with the new background. You might also consider adding small, charming props or special effects, like sparkling light or a faint glow, to bring extra magic to your scene and make it unique.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.